My man back here getting it in, y'all. I think I'm gonna order from his truck today, chat. We got you, sis. This one a soda. We got you. Look at that fish. Got some chicken there too, y'all. He threw the chicken on there. Fish, y'all. You know, you can tell folks from Newark, they want to try the chicken. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're out here in Tubman Square. I just ordered some food. They have the food trucks out here every Wednesday here in Newark, New Jersey. So I'm gonna check out this cat, man. It was $15 for some fish, you know, and people be like, yo, that was too much money. But then people be like, yo, you need to support the community. It's hard to do both sometimes, you know. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice. Go ahead and support these trucks. Here we go, y'all. My order's ready, right? It's right here? What's that on top? The fries? Yep. We got the fries right here, y'all. Check it out. Here in Newark, New Jersey. If you're from Newark, they say you pronounce it Newark. I don't never know about that, but look at that fish. Got some chicken there too, y'all. He threw the chicken on there. All right, I need some sauces. We're gonna just put that hot sauce right on there, y'all. And then we're gonna have them turn the music down in the back a little bit and get this review in. Just soda. Can you give her a soda and put it on my bill? All right. We got you, sis. This one a soda. We got you. What'd you get here?
Oh, just a fish.
You got some? Okay. What kind of soda you want? You got Canada Dry, Pepsi, and orange. Which one you want? Pepsi. She said a Pepsi. Enjoy, sis.
You got the whole.
They thought this was a game.
It ain't no game. I'll follow you, man.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here in Newark, New Jersey. We are here at a park that was formerly called Washington Park, but now it is Tubman Square. We're gonna show you guys some of the monument and stuff that's going on over there. But first, we're gonna dig into this food right here. See how fast I'm moving? I got some French. Did I drop them yet? I didn't drop yet. I got some French. Y'all gonna take some of the French fries? Y'all gotta get into it. Hold up. She on the camera? We gotta make sure she on camera, y'all. Let us know how them French fries taste. You might have to look. Look at this, man. I got that fish. She said I lost a French fry. It ain't lost, it's right there on the table. I'm about to eat that mug. Look at this, man. Look at that.
That's good.
I got tartar sauce on there. You gonna try some, since you ain't on camera, you can't try it. She on camera. We got some subscribers here, y'all.
It's okay.
Hold up. She gonna be like, I shouldn't even order food. Let's try the fish. You wanna get on camera? I started saying you gotta pull your chair. You gotta sit here. Let me pan down a little bit, y'all. I finally got somebody to help me eat this food, y'all. Let's bring this food right over here. Always for the subscribers who support. We down with the get down, y'all. Oh, I can get everybody on this one too, right? Oh yeah, look at that. All of a sudden it got cloudy, y'all. I'm nervous.
It did.
Let's go for fish first, okay? Let's try a piece of fish. I'm gonna try that one right there. All right, we got some fish, y'all. You know, you can tell folks from Newark, they want to try the chicken. They want to try the fried chicken. Hold up, y'all ate it already? Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, let's check it out.
It's crispy.
I like this. I got a big chunk of the tartar sauce, but I like it.
For me.
The sauce. It's the sauce. I gotta make sure I accentuate the accent.
You got to coordinate.
You know?
Let me get a picture.
Oh yeah. There we go. We got the photographer over here, y'all, getting photos. I thought she was about to bite my sandwich.
I was about to.
Not sandwich, my fish.
You're lucky there wasn't.
Oh, we got more.
How to do it.
All right, y'all, this is good. Scale of 1 to 10 on the chicken.
I'll give it a 8.
A 7 over here, 8 on the chicken. I haven't had the chicken yet. The fish is good though. You know what?
I knew you would
I'm
see
gonna
the seasoning.
I'm gonna give a 7.5 on the fish. Y'all got fish here. Next thing I'm gonna do.
They didn't give you no napkins?
Oh, you know what she asked me? Did they give me napkins?
That's right.
J. Elaine, I didn't get napkins. I got a little bit of hot sauce on there, y'all. Look at this. Look at that right there. I gotta turn it slow. Sometimes I'll be going too fast.
Yeah, take your
Check
time.
that out right there. I gotta take my time and do this thing right. Don't get me started.
You need to have me on bag. Let me find some napkins. Hold on.
Oh yeah, ask him. Tell him I bought food.
No, I'm gonna get it.
This is good, but the batter is not as seasoned.
Crunchy. It's not
It's crunchy. It's crunchy.
That's what makes it a 7.
Okay.
But I like the crunch.
It's crunchy.
It's not soggy.
It tastes good. It's not soggy. Yeah.
It's not soft. It's crunchy like chicken wings supposed to be.
You know, around here we don't give us no half-cooked chicken wings. These are well done. Pretty good. It's good. They're doing this every Wednesday. The food trucks are going to be out here. I think this is put on in partnership with Audible in the city of Newark. We'll find out for sure. That music is really loud in the back. Newark wouldn't even turn the music down for a brother. Let me stop. I think he was trying to turn it down, but we got to do what we got to do, man.
I'm waiting for the napkins to come.
Look, y'all, that's the bread.
All right.
Look at that bread.
Okay.
Oh, y'all ain't tried to fish yet.
Oh, okay, let me try.
Hold up.
I want to
I'm just gonna break. I'm gonna just break a piece of this bread off. If I had the choice, right, between the fish and the chicken, it would definitely be the fish for me.
I say seasoning.
Yeah, the fish is seasoning.
It's me.
It's seasoned.
That's yours. Here you go, Matt.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That hot sauce you got. That hot sauce is good.
Thank you, Matt, for inviting us to.
Oh yeah, I'm glad y'all was here. I'm glad they were here because all the subscribers always be like, everything he eats can't be good. But they was like, yo, it's 7s and 8s over here. 7s and 8s.
Woo!
Uh-oh. Oh, that look good.
We get to say
Look.
Yeah.
What y'all doing? What is that right there though? The sandwich.
That's a steak mayonnaise, but
Oh.
they OD with the mayonnaise.
Is a steak? Is a steak?
Chicken steak.
Okay.
Chicken steak.
She got the chicken steak, y'all. It looks delicious. We ain't gonna ask her for none food after we're gonna sit here and share all our food. Nah, I'm just kidding.
You want some?
No, I do not. I'm good. I'm good.
I share.
Yo, I'm eating this bread. That hot sauce is good. Well, this is your man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people, but you with the right cat now. I love y'all. Always thank you for supporting the channel. On to the next one. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Why y'all ain't eat all the fish? You only ate one piece though, right? How many pieces? I'm gonna eat this piece then. Yeah, y'all help yourself to whatever's on there, please.
Now, Matt, you about to be in these streets. But I
Big
follow,
time.
I still follow you.
I'm gonna be in the streets big time.
So y'all still out here eating chicken and french fries?
I don't want no more chicken.
Listen, I see y'all later.
All right.
Cause she gotta
All right.
go to work.
Okay.
Are you
Peace
gonna
out.
get one minute with that?
Hey, how you doing? Not today, brother. Thank you.
You know who's in charge of the music?
That guy with the hat.
Oh, the guy with the hat.
Nice seeing you. Oh my God. It's wonderful.
You should have got a photo. Where the photo? You on Facebook?
Get a photo.
Take a photo.
Oh, lost my name. Gotta get our good side.
Thank you.
That's our good side.
Make sure you tag me when you post it.
Okay, I will. Listen, Cuddy. Be good. Nice seeing you, man.
Hold up, your tissue on the way. Nice. Phone. This event is going down. This is the first day, May 7th, but it's going down every Wednesday throughout the month of May. Hey man, from that one truck, I got some good food, and I've tried both of these trucks before, so I know they got good food. So if you're in the Newark area and want some good food truck food, come down and check them out, man. Once again, here at Harriet Tubman Square, signing off, your boy, Matt TV. Peace!